How to create a DoorDash account. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can open a DoorDash account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is install the DoorDash app. You can easily get the app from your app store. Head over to your search bar on your app store, search for DoorDash, and after you search for DoorDash, this is the app that you want to install. After you install it, you can open it up. Now, to create an account for DoorDash, you will see different options here, such as you can enter your email, you can enter your phone number, you can continue with Google, Facebook, and Apple as well. The easiest would be by simply continuing using your Google, Facebook, and Apple, but other than that, you can use your email or you can use a phone number instead. I'll just tap on continue with Google, tap on continue, select my Google account, and then tap on continue again. And by doing that, I will get just signed in into my Google account. So I'll just need to type in my last name here. Type in your last name, your email address, and then your phone number. So simply type in your phone number and tap on sign up, and you will have created your DoorDash account. And it's that simple. That is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.